Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, I'm unboxing my brand new LG QNED80 50-inch 4K TV, a stunning TV that's packed with cutting-edge features. If you love tech and want to see more unboxings and reviews, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss an update. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. I'd say 50 inches are the biggest TVs one man can carry safely alone. If you're a woman, I recommend you get someone to help you. The first thing we find when we open the box is the power cable, nothing special. Next are the legs. They're pretty solid, mostly metal, with a hook and get attached with 2 screws each. The TV itself is tightly packed in styrofoam. The bag with the manuals and the magic remote was at the bottom of the box. Batteries for the remotes are included, which is pretty nice. Not everyone does that. As I started the TV setup, I realized that it's not that better than regular LED TVs when it comes to glare and reflections. QNED80 is LG's affordable line of TVs, so we shouldn't expect miracles, and it's still considerably better than an LED TV. In this part of the video, I set up the TV. It takes some time. Feel free to skip ahead if that doesn't interest you. I'm not sure if the camera conveys it well, but once the TV is set and you put on a good video, the quality is amazing. I'm pretty happy with the purchase, and I think this model is really good for the price. It's not as good as an OLED, but for the price you could hardly get anything better. If you want to buy one, I've dropped a link to Amazon in the description below. Thanks for watching this unboxing and first impressions video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tech reviews and unboxings. Let me know in the comments what you think of the LG QNED TVs and if you have any questions.